Welcome to Jiemu Kai Factory. We have been specializing in the production of mobile phone screens for the past 17 years. Our advanced automated production lines enable us to efficiently manufacture approximately 10,000 mobile phone screens per day. Our production process includes 1. Dust removal on the surface of the LCD, ITO position, followed by covering it with an imported anisotropic conductive film, ACF, from Japan. 2. Mounting and securing the IC on the LCD, ITO position. 3. Applying another layer of ACF on the IC, ITO position, then installing and securing the flexible cable. 4. Testing the screen display and removing defective screens. 5. Applying silver paste on both sides of the ITO, followed by covering it with a blue film to prevent static electricity and oxidation. 6. Installing the backlight and conducting a second round of testing on the screen display. 7. Checking the cover plate under strong light and applying a protective film. 8. Applying optical clear adhesive, OCA, on the back of the cover plate. 9. Accurately installing the cover plate and LCD. 10. Conducting a third round of testing on the screen display. If the screen functions properly, it will be vacuumed for further processing. We purchased more than 600 models of mobile phones to test the screens. Before shipping, each screen is tested to ensure the highest quality. We package screens according to each customer's specific requirements. We participate in several international exhibitions every year, including Hong Kong Global Resources, MWCA in the United States, IFA in Germany, and DS in Brazil. Thank you for considering Jiemu Kai Factory for your mobile phone screen needs.